Is the NSA, and let's put your lawyer hat on,
Right.
mine as well, going beyond what is reasonable and necessary in terms of looking at phone records to keep terrorists at bay?
The NSA is doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. No one's privacy is being violated. Despite what Senator Rand Paul is talking about, the NSA is not listening to American phone calls. All they are doing is they are taking the records from the phone companies of phone number to phone number. No names, no addresses, no content. The only time those numbers can even be looked at is if a foreign terrorist makes a call into the United States. Then the NSA can find out what number they called. Then they have to go to court so that the FBI, the Justice Department, can get a warrant to listen to those calls. The NSA is not listening to anyone's calls at all, and no record at all can be looked at unless it has a direct connection with a foreign terrorist. So Rand Paul does not know what he's talking about. And Rand Paul is really spreading fear among the American people. And he also, today I understand in the show, is also comparing General Clapper to Snowden. I mean, to me, either he's totally uninformed or he's part of that hate America crowd that I thought leftists in the 1960s. In any event, he doesn't deserve to be in the United States Senate for spreading that type of misperception and absolute lies, to be honest with you.